Hello and welcome back to Scale Model Jam. And today on the bench, as you can see, we have another Testors kit. We have the Aluma Coupe by Boyds. This is the simplified quick builder version of the kit, so it doesn't have any engine detail. I am looking for the full detail kit to see what the differences are between them. But for the moment, we're going to review this kit because even though it's a simple modified kit, you still need to glue it together. It's not a snap together kit. It just has far fewer parts than the detail one. Obviously, once it's built, it still looks good. It still looks stunning, and that's the whole point of it, isn't it? It is a curbside kit, no engine detail, but it's gonna, anyone sees it, they're gonna be like, wow. So this kit was not bought new by me. It was one I purchased on eBay, so it has been opened. We're going to take a look at the box quickly. As the same picture as the front. We have a little bit of a history lesson on the car. Nothing massive. Powered by a turbocharged Mitsubishi engine, the Aluma Coupe is blessed with plenty of high-tech creature comforts and is topped off with no less than 30 coats of bright yellow lacquer. Holy hell. So yeah, 30 coats of yellow, wowzers, and that is a beautiful paint job. So yeah, let's have a look what's inside, shall we? Okay, we have the instructions. We're going to put those to the side for the moment. We'll come to those in a minute. As you can see, this is not a new kit. It's been opened. So let's just take a look at the first parts that come out. And we have, obviously, it's moulded in yellow. There are some scratches on the roof section there. We have the boot, the bonnet. You can see the mould lines just there. We have the headlights. And I think the indicators, I think they are. Might actually no, I think actually they're the wing mirrors. Yeah, those are the wing mirrors. So you pretty much part the whole of the car there. So I'm going to put that just there. What we have next, we have the chrome parts. There are some parts missing. They're more likely going to be in the box. We have the suspension, the grills. I should say, I think that goes under the rear part of the car. We have the steering, we have the brakes, and the steering arms just there. I'm guessing these were where the wheels were, and those are the only things that are missing on this sprue. It's very bright chrome, maybe dulling down a little bit, but obviously if you build it as is, it looks quite striking. And here we go, here are the wheels. You have the Boyds Tri-Fan. In fact, let's just get these out of here. There we go. The Boyds Tri-Fans, front and rear. So you can see there's a massive difference between the front and the back tyres. The wheels themselves are the same. They are identical. They are actually directional as well. And you can see how old this kit is. The rubber has split, but that's not a problem. I can 3D print some more. So yeah, these are beautiful wheels, lovely detailed. You can see that the fan etchings on the spokes there. Beautiful wheels. And you have 4 of those. Like I said, they are directional. So obviously when you're building one, make sure you put them on the right way. Next in line, we have the body. As I said, this is a quick builder kit, and not only is it a quick builder, it's a quick reviewer, because we've almost finished the review already. So that would go together just like that. Obviously this is a 1/24 scale kit. Everything else basically glues onto it. Very easy to paint, very easy to get looking really good. Obviously, because there's no interior or no engine, you just have dark windows, the side windows here, and the front and rear windows. Or the front and rear windows, I should say, and the headlights. Plus a couple of stickers. These are not decals. These are stickers. And these black ones here actually go into this section here, which I'm guessing on the real car is actually a hole. There's somewhere for the air to go, I'm guessing for cooling for the engine in the back. And I'm guessing that red one there is going to be a brake light with a couple of number plates, Boyds and Testors. Last but not least, a Boyds by Boyds limited edition collector card set. And that's it. onto the instructions. Again, as with the Van Halen truck we did previously, we've got a slight background on the car. It's using a 300 horsepower Mitsubishi engine in there. It was using a steel tubed frame, and it basically goes into telling you how it was built, how long it took to build and make those panels. Yeah, again, the Testors standard of before you're starting, how to paint, preparation of the parts, give them a wash, things like that. This is only 4 pages long. So let's start. Obviously, we got the Testors instructions there, which is a rare thing I've ever seen in any kits. Them telling you how to do it rather than just relying on pictures and numbers like you get with AMT kits and stuff. We're like, where does that part go? Can't quite figure it out from the instructions. It actually tells you down here. It also talks to you about the colours that you want to use and things like that. So let's get into the build. So obviously you put the two halves together. We have a strengthening rod that goes between the two to stop them from flexing inwards. Oh, pretty much just like what I've done there, bending inwards. You got the windows, the bonnet, the boot, the chrome grille, and also the rear window trim and the rear wheel hubs. Also that rear grille as well. And next we have the suspension, the alignment. It looks to have steering as well. Okay, I'm not sure if the steering is functional or not. I'm not 100% sure on that, but we will we'll have a look when we build it to see what does that. So you've got the steering arms, you've got the headlights, things like that. Get on to the next one. You've got the side windows, the wing mirrors, and then you have the wheels and how to put the brakes on them and so on as well. The thing with these is obviously when the wheels go around, I don't know if the wheels are meant to be glued onto the car because it's not really clear on the instructions. But obviously if the wheels spin, those brake discs are going to spin as well. Yeah, so obviously you've got the brake disc going onto the actual wheel itself, onto the tyre. It does not roll. It does not roll. Obviously that can be amended. You can change that quite easily. I may actually do that with this kit. It'd be a shame just having a kit just not rolling. Why would you do that? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once the kit's built, it's built, and it will sit there as a curbside, looking pretty good. Obviously, if you want to have it posing, like with the wheels slightly turned or something, make sure you do that when you put the steering rods and everything on. You set it where you want it to be, because at that point it's going to be glued in place and you won't be able to move it. And there we have it, the review of the Quick Builder Aluma Coupe by Boyd. That review was a little bit too fast, if I'm honest. There wasn't much to that kit, clearly. But, you know, once it's built, once it's painted up properly and it looks absolutely superb, it's going to look fantastic. So I'm still looking forward to making this, but I am going to keep an eye out for the full detail kit so I can actually build it properly. And hopefully that one will have rolling wheels and steerable front wheels as well. So, yeah, okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this review and you've enjoyed seeing what's inside the box here. And I hope to see you on the next one. So, yeah, take it easy, guys. Take care. Bye.